Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add overlapping text shadow effect into your Elementor page. As you can see, I have added this effect here, and you can see these words creating a shadow on the previous words, and also you can see a reflection under it, which makes it more beautiful. So to create it, let's go to your Elementor page builder where I will show you how to create it from scratch. So here on my Elementor page builder, first of all I will design the section layout. For this I will select a section with a single column. Now I will change its height to fit to screen. Now I will go to style, and in the style I will add background, and I will set black color. Now I will drag in an heading widget in the column. Now I will change the heading text. I will add WordPress. Now I will align it to the center and go to style. Here in style, first of all I will change its color to white. Now I will go to typography and I will change font family to Puffins. Now I will go to size and add 200 pixels of size. Now in the weight I will make it 900, and here under it I will change the letter spacing to -35, so it will look like that. Now I will go to text shadow and I will change the shadow color to dark black. Now I will go to advanced, and here I will add a CSS class. I will add shadow. Now I will drag in an HTML widget and add some code under it. So search for HTML widget and drag it to under the heading. Now I will paste the code here. Now you can see the text is clearly visible. Now I will increase the shadow of this text, so I will go to style, and here in the shadow I will change the blurriness to 50, and also I will change its horizontal to -20. Now it will look like that. Now I will add reflection for this text. So for this I will go to advanced, custom CSS, and here I will paste a CSS code. Now you can see reflection under this text. Now I am done with that, so I will just update the page. After updating, I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here you can see I have successfully added overlapping text shadow effect in my Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.